And what if we go to my favorite restaurant?
Benita, that's nice, but can we talk about it when I get back, okay?
But can I just tell you the gift I want?
My baby. So why don't you go tell your uncle, okay?
It is different.
Hey, baby. I'm out with the girls, okay?
All right, bro. Have a good day. Bye.
I love you so much, baby. Be good, okay?
Uncle,
Yes?
today's my birthday.
It's your birthday. Oh, happy birthday. Are you sure? Okay. Happy birthday.